In this video, we will be telling you the 10 signs which if you see in yourself, then you are going to become rich, and that too very quickly. Actually, we have observed the habits of all the millionaires and found these 10 things in common. Watch this video till the end, as this video is full of information. Now, without any further delay, let's start. 1. Looking for ways to earn some extra cash. Do you find yourself constantly exploring and contemplating various methods to generate income? If that's the case, you possess the qualities of someone who is on track to become a millionaire. Wealthy individuals do not conceal and safeguard their finances. They are constantly seeking ways to maximize the benefits of their money. If you're interested in exploring different investment strategies, seeking out high-yield opportunities, discovering new business prospects, or finding low-risk investment options, there's a chance for you to achieve financial success. 2. Trying to develop a distinct mindset. Individuals who achieve millionaire status possess distinct behavioral patterns, thinking styles, and guiding principles. They possess a unique mindset regarding their self-perception, their actions, and their aspirations. They are individuals who make choices about their life independently, without being influenced by the opinions of others. They are individuals who follow their own instincts to achieve success or face failure. With the right strategy and dedication, achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire is within reach. Success is only attainable for those who are willing to push beyond the status quo. Press the red subscribe button below and also the like button if you want to know more amazing tricks to get rich quickly. 3. Saving for investment. Do you prioritize saving money for future investments? So, that is another characteristic of someone who is determined to achieve millionaire level. Many individuals choose to save their hard-earned money for various luxury items such as high-end smartphones, exquisite jewelry, or fashionable clothing, and even the purchase of a new vehicle. These individuals lead lives just like any other person, indefinitely. They are facing numerous financial challenges. However, someone with aspirations of becoming a future millionaire understands the importance of saving money and avoids unnecessary expenses. 4. Embracing opportunities for potential rewards. Wealthy individuals embrace risk without hesitation. However, when it comes to taking risks, they are extremely focused on the potential return. If individuals are able to achieve a higher return on their investments, they will be more adept at effectively managing the associated risks. If you're someone who embraces beneficial risks, effectively manages them, and enjoys the rewards, then a successful future awaits you. 5. Lessons to be learned from failure. One common trait among individuals who achieve millionaire status is their ability to extract valuable experiences and lessons from their failures. If you're someone who's committed to building a secure future and learning from past mistakes, your chances of achieving financial success are significantly higher. 6. Persevering. Successful individuals remain resilient in the face of adversity. They grow more resilient as a result. They continue their journey, moving closer to their goals. If you possess a strong ability to bounce back from failure, your future is bound to be more resilient and robust. Stay determined and committed to your goals and dreams, no matter what obstacles come your way. Only those who persevere and stay resilient can navigate challenging journeys and savor the joys of a blooming season. 7. Pursuing costly aspirations. You stand out from the crowd. You have aspirations of residing in a grand estate, cruising in a high-end automobile, and adorning your wrist with a prestigious timepiece. Those dreams sure do come with a hefty price tag. While many people aspire to own luxury cars like the Phantom or the Ghost, most individuals aim for more practical options like the Prius. While many individuals face challenges in affording a modest home, your aspiration is to own a luxurious mansion worth millions. Only those who aspire to great wealth can hope to afford luxury cars and extravagant mansions. That aspiration is what motivates you to pursue it. It's possible that you don't have any money at the moment. However, I have grand aspirations for the future that may require a significant financial investment. If you have aspirations like that, it's definitely within reach to achieve millionaire status. 8. Keeping the future step under wraps. Keeping your future plans private can be seen as a positive indicator of achievement. It seems that there may be some skepticism towards the idea of wealth accumulation. It seems that everyone expects you to match their level. Sharing your long-term goals with others can sometimes hinder your progress, as it invites unnecessary challenges along the way. For those who prefer to keep their future plans under wraps, traveling can be a smoother experience. It's important to keep your plans and income confidential. That's the behavior commonly observed among successful individuals. 9. Seeking financial independence since early years. A lot of today's millionaires have had a strong desire to be rich ever since they were little kids. They have managed to acquire a little amount of money via different means while they were in school. The smallest seed may develop into the largest tree in the world. The folks who are now worth millions obviously didn't just show up there out of the blue. They have tried many different things to generate money throughout the years. Its early years were marked by its pioneering spirit. Even when they were at school, they would sometimes sell stuff like books, comic books, games, and even certain snacks. Alternatively, they have made a profit by leasing out a property. On the other hand, they may have attempted to make some extra cash while still in school by helping other students with things like their schoolwork. Their work is valuable, even if they are not long-term positions or enterprises. Furthermore, with this little sum, all of their childhood necessities have been satisfied. 10. Recognizing desires and necessities. There are two things, needs and desires. Unfortunately, a lot of folks just don't get it. Needs are something that everyone has and has an obligation to meet. Desires are many approaches to meeting those requirements. Anything from rice and bread to burgers and cake can satisfy your hunger, which is a universal human need. An essential human need is a safe place to live, and housing options such as apartments, single-family homes, and multi-story buildings cater to this want. Finding a solution to the problem is up to you. Living lavishly in your early days would never lead you to become a billionaire. Many people who are now millionaires have been through terrible things. It is a sign of a maturing person to know what's really important and to invest in those things. There will always be a shortage of funds for those who waste money on frivolous purchases. Such folks will have a hard time amassing wealth. However, you may become wealthy by spending solely on necessities. That's all for today. Now you know all the signs which if you see in yourself you are going to become a millionaire for sure. This video was specially made for people who always remain confused about their future. Press the red subscribe button if you want to know the best financial tips and tricks to get rich quickly. Actually, these are just a few signs. If you see yourself that you can't stop working, then also you will get rich soon. If you are delaying your work all the time, then you must be cautious. This is a very negative sign. You must be sincere with your work and daily tasks. All the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, Jeff Bezos, and everyone suggest that you should finish your work on time and also invest your money. The more you keep your money in the bank, the inflation will eat it up, so you must invest it. Share this video with all of your friends, colleagues, family members, and all of your relatives so that they could also learn. Press the like button also if you loved watching this short financial video. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching this video till here.